my last video, I was discussed in concern with inorganic reaction mechanism, how the that is the reaction takes place in a inorganic complexes, and which is a reactive center, and I discussed three different types of the inorganic reactions. In this video, we discuss here ligand substitution reaction. Then, in concern the ligand substitution reaction, substitution reactions can be discussed in terms of the micro level or macro chemical point of view. The first scientist, that is Alfred Werner, carried out the reaction in a one beaker. He taken the aqueous solution of the trans bis-ethylene diamine chloro complex, and that complex is a green color. That complex is a particularly that is the green color complex. Green color complex, and that complex is stirred with that is the help of sodium nitrite stick. After some time, he observed that yes, the color of that complex will be changed, that becomes so orange. Then he observed it, why color is changed from the green to the orange. And you see that observation by open eyes, and therefore that change is a macrochemical change. Yes, you can be observed by your open eyes, and therefore particular substitution reactions are, yes, you studied in macrochemical point of view. Here, why that color was changed? One of the chloride ligand is replaced by that is nitrite ligand, that is NO2, and therefore color of that complex change from the green to the orange. Then here you see one of the chloride ligand is replaced by the NO2 minus group, nitride group. Yes, that reaction is known as substitution. In place of the chloride, here NO2 is a place, and therefore it is a replacement of one ligand by the another, and that reaction is known as the substitution reaction. Substitution reaction इसका मतलब क्या है कि replacement of the ligand in the coordination cell by another ligand. ठीक है, तो first that reaction was studied by the scientist Alfred Werner. Then ligand substitution reactions are classified as a three reaction. First, association of the complex. दूसरा dissociation of the complex and interchange mechanism. जो ligand substitution reaction होता है inorganic complex में, वो यहाँ पे involve the three types of the mechanism. पहला है association हो जाएगा, दूसरा है dissociation हो जाएगा, या तीसरा है interchange mechanism. मीन्स जो ligand replace हो जाएगा इनकमिंग ligand से, वो फॉलो करेगा थ्री मैकेनिज्म. पहला association, dissociation and interchange. We discuss one by one here. Let's go to the next, that is association of the complex. Here you see, if the ligand substitution takes place through the associative mechanism, then you see here in a substrate complex, coordination number of here the substrate complex is a 6. Coordination number is a 6. Means it is octahedral complex. यहाँ पे Y is a incoming nucleophile. Then you see intermediate form in a transition state having coordination number is a 7. Coordination number is a 7, and it is a first step, and that step is a slow step. Second step में क्या हो जाता है? ये जो इंटरमीडिएट है हैविंग अ कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इज 7, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 7, वो डिकम्पोज हो जाता है and you will get a substituted product, that is substituted complex having coordination number is 6, and जो X है leaves from that intermediate and therefore you will get a substituted complex, and that step, second step is the first step. तो यहां पे देखिए कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स का 6 था और सब्स्टिट्यूटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स का भी 6 है, लेकिन यहां पे इंटरमीडिएट का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 1 से बढ़ गया है। तो इन एसोसिएटिव मैकेनिज्म हमेशा इनकमिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक ऑन द सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स टू फॉर्म इंटरमीडिएट हैविंग हायर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 2, that is the substrate complex, and then that intermediate will be decomposed to form the substituted complex. यहां पे तो फर्स्ट स्टेप है, यहां पे फर्स्ट स्टेप है that depends on is, वो फर्स्ट स्टेप है जो वो स्लो स्टेप है। इसका मतलब है आपको जो रेट डिटरमाइन करने का है वो आप हमेशा स्लो स्टेप यूज करके आप रेट डिटरमाइन करते हैं। तो यहां पे देखिए, यहां पे स्लो स्टेप है तो फर्स्ट स्टेप है स्लो स्टेप, इसका मतलब है यहां रिएक्शन का रेट जो आप मेजर करने वाले बाय यूजिंग द फर्स्ट स्टेप है। तो यहां पे rate is depends upon the concentration of the substrate complex as well as the concentration of the incoming nucleophile, दोनों के ऊपर डिपेंड है। तो rate of the reaction is depends upon the concentration of the here substrate complex as well as the ligand, incoming ligand, therefore that follows, that is the second order kinetics, and therefore here substitution is takes place and that also nucleophilic substitution, therefore that reaction is also known as nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction, but in inorganic chemistry here known as, that is the SN2 limiting, SN2 limiting. In organic chemistry that is known as the SN2 reaction. Here you see if the substitution reaction taking place in any complexes and the first step is a slow step, then rate is depends upon the concentration of the substrate complex as well as the incoming nucleophile, then always follow, that is a second order kinetics. Then second type of the mechanism, dissociative mechanism. In a dissociative mechanism what happen, in a first step first complex, substrate complex will be dissociated and that forms intermediate transition state having coordination number is less than the coordination number of the substrate complex, and ये जो step रहेगा first step, it is a slow step. Second step में क्या हो जाता है, that intermediate, yes, that is the ML5 incoming nucleophile, that is the Y, is attack on the intermediate is to form substituted complex, that is ML5Y. Here you see that second step is a fast step, therefore you measure the rate of the substitution reaction always by using the first step. तो यहां पे देखिए फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हो गया है, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर जो ML5X इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स था उसका X निकल गया है डिकम्पोज होके, एंड इंटरमीडिएट जो बना है उस ट्रांजिशन स्टेट उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर है 5 और सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर था 6, तो उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर क्या हो गया, कम हो गया। तो रेट जो डिपेंड रहेगा तो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा, एक कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द खाली सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स के ऊपर डिपेंड रहेगा। एंड देयरफॉर if substitution reaction are takes place through the dissociative mechanism, then always the rate is depends upon only concentration of the substrate complex, and therefore it follows, that is the first order kinetic, and that reactions are known as, that is SN1 reaction, like that is organic chemistry, SN1 limiting reaction, nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. Then in concept the interchange mechanism. My friends, when the reactions cannot be classified either the dissociative or associative mechanism, then that reaction is considered to follow that is the interchange mechanism. यहाँ पे देखिए पहला रिएक्शन हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था एसोसिएटिव मैकेनिज्म से, दूसरा रिएक्शन हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था डिसोसिएटिव मैकेनिज्म से. अभी ये जो इंटरचेंज मैकेनिज्म है हम लोग के लिए कई ऐसी रिएक्शंस होते हम लोग उसको एसोसिएटिव भी नहीं बोल सकते और डिसोसिएटिव भी नहीं बोल सकते. वो रिएक्शन को हम लोग बोलेंगे इंटरचेंज रिएक्शन, दैट इज इंटरचेंज मैकेनिज्म. Then in this mechanism, association of the complex with incoming ligand, incoming nucleophile, that is a Y, to form the transition state with coordination number is greater than the, that is the complex, and it is a hypothetical. You cannot be measure it. Coordination number of the transition state is higher than the coordination number of the substrate complex. And second step में क्या हो जाता है, involves the outgoing ligand X is to give that is the substituted complex. यहाँ पे देखो the complex of the higher coordination number cannot be isolated. इसका मतलब क्या है, जो transition state रहता है वो association होके form हो जाता है लेकिन you cannot be isolate it. जैसा associative mechanism में आपको जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिलता था वो हायर कोऑर्डिनेशन का मिलता था, वो आप एसोसिएट मींस उसको क्या करते थे, सेपरेट कर सकते थे, आइसोलेट कर सकते थे. और डिसोसिएटिव मैकेनिज्म में जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट है उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कम रहता है, वो भी आप लोग आइसोलेट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिलता है वो आप आइसोलेट नहीं कर सकता है कि वो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हायर देन द सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स या लोअर देन द सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स है, तो आप आइसोलेट कर नहीं सकते. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, वो जो रिएक्शन रहेगा वो इंटरचेंज मैकेनिज्म से हो रहा है और वो रिएक्शन का जो ऑर्डर रहता है वो आप फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट नाइदर दैट इज अ 1 नॉर दैट इज अ 2. यहां पे देखिए मैंने एग्जांपल ले लिया है ML5X एंड इनकमिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज Y दैट अटैक टू फॉर्म ML3Y ML5XY दैट इज द इंटरमीडिएट इज फॉर्म एंड ML5XY is the decomposed to form that is ML5Y and X will be that is leaves out. Here you see at the time of the here the transition state is formed. In some reaction the formation of the bond between the incoming nucleophile and the ligand is preceding over the dissociation of the bond between the metal and the leaving group. Such a reaction are known as interchange associative mechanism, that is known as IA, interchange association. Interchange association. Here in the interchange association, bond making is presiding over the bond breaking process. And second is that ID, interchange dissociative mechanism, in that bond breaking between the metal and the leaving group, that process is presiding over bond making process between the metal and the incoming nucleophile. That shows that is the interchange dissociative mechanism. There are one interchange associative and interchange dissociative. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, then drop the message in message drop box and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.